Chili Shack Galway because my anseo on your on dúchlan na Sheáin dhéanamh ghost wing challenge. Chuaigh mé chicken wings fear speaks for Coach agus gur féidir agus ná ní nervy sure amach tá nervy ben. How many more than these ghost chilies?
Yeah, they're over 1 million scovilles.
What's a scoville?
It's a level of how hot something is.
Have you ever tried it before?
I've tried the sauce, but not the challenge yet.
Has anyone? Am I the first one to do it?
You're going to be the first one to try it today.
Okay, so it's kind of a dubious honour, you would say.
Yes.
And any advice?
Don't touch your eyes.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Right. Let's get down to business, I guess.
Let's get ready to rumble!
They're mugged. Yeah, I told you the guy needs to show. Too small, land of hybrid. Yeah, Midland Schofield sounds about right. An annual Gabanian check will mission be in all war. Following war is in the end is the long spatial August. So she'll actually really lost it, like decent 3-0 Kerry Keen in ein purse. Yeah, following more teacht agus ear more record of bhualadh. Ken mid fit chuig. Chili Shack Galway, Bonnie Trailas. Tour and Bonnie live.